Hi, this is Ryan with Honey Dashboard Software, and I want to show you in this video how to actually create a new job. Very simple. We have customers. In fact, let's just grab this one. It's a new customer. Um, I've shown you how to add the addresses, all this other good stuff, and we can make sure we're ready to go. If this guy is ready to move into the next stage of, say we want to qualify him as a customer and make sure that he's really looking for what he thinks he's looking for. Uh, what we can do is create a new job. And the reason that we want to do this is it gives us a lot of other pieces, parts that we can utilize. So we're going to go ahead and click the new job for this customer. It actually does a lot of things, but one of the things it does is create this job and add a bunch of cycles to it. Now, these cycles are the steps, are the tasks that you will accomplish as you go through the process of figuring out what he needs, what he wants, creating a proposal, your design meetings, contracts, all that kind of stuff. So that's all created in here, including a welcome email you can send to the customer once you get ready to do that part. So that's now after, of course, your permit submitted. So this is a little farther along in the process at the moment. I just want to show you that a lot of things are created. There's a lot of steps. These are all potential steps for a job of what it could go through. Note at this point, there are no construction or production tasks to be done. And that's because there's no proposal built. So those get put in later when the proposal is done. But I want to walk you through this sales manager page really quick. So we have the sales cycles that need to be accomplished. We have the job information. This is again the information that came from the CRM. So we grabbed the address that we had put in and the salesman, the contact himself. These all get added in. Automatic payments are created, just basically blank placeholders for when they get a proposal put together. We have a place to upload extra documents, add notes regarding this particular project. And then for later, there'll be a spot for purchase orders and change orders after the job has been sold. So let's take a look at the discovery form. And what this is a form that's set up to allow you to go through and determine exactly what the customer is looking for. So if they want, you can do a yes or no on most of these sections. If we set the remodel to no or to yes, you can see that more things show, more things disappear. Same thing with this section, same thing with this section. So if there's any of these that they don't want, the reason that they're not filled in initially is so that you can make a choice and fill those things in. The pool, let's just say he wants to go ahead and have a pool. We're going to say, no, it's not out of ground. We have some dimensions. Oh, let's put it 30 feet long and we'll go ahead and say 15 feet wide. And it's going to be rectangular. There is also the option of a free-form pool. No, we're not going to have a sun shelf on this one. No extra seating. Now these, the automation kind of refers to whether you just have a basic type of automation, something with 4 relays and a valves, 8 relays and a valves. Those are options that actually you can make choices as to what product gets chosen for those later on. And essentially the whole point is that you're going to go through and you're going to make some determinations when you're on the phone with this person. So you're going to say, what are they looking for? Do they want this? Do they want that? And this just helps to give an idea of what the customer might need and want. And you can actually also, come up with some desired dates, budgets, any pertinent notes. And although it's cut off a little bit on this particular screen, you can actually also save the form. Once you do that, it gets, now let's just go ahead and hit that. So once we save it, it'll save, it puts it as in, well, I'll save it in progress, but that's fine. It'll move it in preparation for what we're doing. So I think I actually saved it in progress. Let me try that again. I did. I saved it in progress, so that's perfect. The green button you can not really see is to save completed. And it goes through and asks whether or not, basically it does a qualification to make sure that you're filling out the form completely, that you don't miss things, because that information is used later to help you build the proposal. And that's really all I want to show you in this particular video. So we'll come back in a minute and I'll show you more pieces, parts of how to go through and prep for a proposal.